Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Nahmaduhu wa nusalli ala rasulihil kareem. So these lessons were missed out on the video series from 2 years ago, so it's uploading again, inshallah. So inshallah, now what we're doing here is we finish up with Tamani and Tarajji and Nida. We're explaining these two and a few other rules regarding this. So Tamanni, what is Tamanna? Tamanna is to what? Seek, to desire. So when you desire something which is not possible, so the key element in Tamanni is what? To desire something which is not possible. It's called Tamanni. For example, Ya layta qawmi ya'lamoon. Ya layta qawmi ya'lamoon. In Surah Yasin, the person, after he became shaheed, this is when he entered Jannah, there he had a wish. I wish my people knew how my Lord, bima ghafara li rabbi wa ja'alani min al-mukrameen. I wish they knew this. It's impossible when you've died and passed away. You can't change, or you can't convey your message to the people who live in the world. So this is a tamanni, something impossible. Okay? Yes? You following? So it's called tamanni. Now, Adat, which tools, which particles, or which huruf or isms are used for tamanni? So first thing we have layta. That's a key. That's the essence. The ra'sul bab, the aslul bab. The main particle used for tamanni is layta. What is it? Layta. For example, Ya laytani qaddamtu li hayati. When a person will, a disbeliever will pass away and have regret regarding what he done in the dunya, he will say, Ya laytani qaddamtu li hayati. I wish I had sent forth some good deeds for this life. Again, you can't change it. So layta is a request or a desire or a wish for something that is no longer achievable. Everyone following? Yes? Simple? Muhammad Wali, Musab, Muhammad, anybody have any questions? No? Yeah. Hal, you also have hal. So hal is not really meant for tamanni. What's hal meant for? Istifham. However, you can use it to convey the message of what? Tamanni. For example, on the day of Qiyamah, again, those who are disbelievers and those who didn't do good deeds, what will they say? Hal lana min shufa'a'a fayashfa'u lana. Are there any intercessors who can intercede on our behalf? Are there any intercessors who can intercede on our behalf? Okay? Yes? Are there any intercessors who can intercede on our behalf? Yes? So the question is not there for an answer saying yes or no. The question is, I wish. Is there anyone? And obviously it's a tamanni because they know there's nobody. So it's not really a question, it's a rhetorical question in the meaning of tamanni and a hope. Are there any intercessors who can intercede on our behalf and get us out of the problem that we are in? Understood? Law? Law again is for what? Shart. But you can also use it for tamanni. For example, لولا أخرتنا إلى أجل قريب. لولا أخرتنا إلى أجل قريب. لولا أخرتنا إلى أجل قريب. So لولا, same, both of them. Only if, would you not have? For example, say, لو كان عندي مال. That means if I had wealth, it means what? I wish I had wealth. So لولا أخرتنا, why would it not be? Why don't you give us a bit more time so we can do good deeds before you take our souls? So لولا أخرتنا إلى أجل قريب. Why do you not give us a bit more time? Please give us a bit more time. That's tamanni. So law and lawla can also be used for which meanings? Tamanni. Understood? So somebody is tamanni is to wish something which is what? Impossible, you can't acquire. The main particle for this is what? Later. And you can also use hal and law and lawla. Fahimtum? Acha. Next is what? Tarajji. What's the next one? Tarajji. And tarajji means what? To desire something which is possible. So it's not a desire, it's a hope. It's not a wish. So tamanni is more of a wish, and tarajji is something as a hope. Something which is possible and you can acquire, you can achieve. For example, the magicians, when Fir'aun summoned them, they said what? لَأَلَّنَا نَتَّبِعُ السَّحَرَةَ إِن كَانُوا هُمُ الْغَالِبِينَ. No, so not magicians, the people. The people said this, perhaps, maybe, we will follow the magicians if they are victorious and victorious. So again, la'allana, perhaps, maybe, possibility. Okay, I will discuss more about la'alla in Dusu Balagah, inshallah. Okay? So again, the main particle is la'alla. The main particle of tarajji is la'alla. For example, لَأَلَّ اللَّهَ يُحْدِثُ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ أَمْرًا. Perhaps, maybe, Allah may bring about a new situation, a better situation. So la'alla is for possible things, where later is for impossible. Okay? Asa is also used for tarajji, meaning hope, wish. But a possible, something that can be acquired, achieved. For example, Asallahu an ya'tiyani bihim jami'a. Sayyidina Yaqub alayhi salatu wasalam, when he lost his first son, Yusuf, then the other son stayed behind. What did he say afterwards? Asallah, hopefully, Allah will bring them all back. Asallahu an ya'tiyani bihim jami'a. You following? Everyone understand so far? Any questions? So tamanni is what? A wish which is not achievable. Tarajji is something possible. And for tamanni, use the main part of tamanni is what? Layta. And for tarajji, la'alla. And tamanni you can use layta, along with it you can use law or hal. Okay, and tarajji you can also use what? Asa. Everyone following? Okay. And nida, what's nida? To call. Nida, you know hard for nida from nahu, simple. To call someone. For example, Ya ayyuhan nas, calling out to somebody. Okay, U'budu rabbakum alladhi khalaqakum, until the end, you're calling out to the people. Okay. Which particles do you use for nida? The main common one is ya. But along with that you have ay and a. So it's hamza, not hamza istifham, but hamza to nida. Okay. You don't have any of this in the Quran. You don't have a in the Quran. Like you don't have a in the meaning of istifham. Sorry. You don't have a in the meaning of tamanni in the Quran. You follow? You don't have ay in the meaning in the Quran, in the meaning of nida. Not nida, tamanni, what am I saying? You don't have a hamza in the meaning of nida in the Quran. You have this one is common, ya. That's the most common one. Are you following? For example, Ya Adam, calling someone. Okay? Yes, everyone following? So that's some basics regarding, very basic regarding, again, nahwa, by overlaps with balagha, just getting some things in place. Okay? Subhanallah wa bihamdi, subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika, wa nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta, wa nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk.